Thanks for checking back in. Today's video will be finishing up the tables features in DraftSight by covering the export table command. This feature not only boosts your time efficiency, but also reduces mistakes while transporting your information into Excel. Located in the Table section of the Annotate tab on the ribbon, the Export Table icon is situated farthest to the right. When selected, DraftSight will prompt you to click on a single table in your graphics display. Once your table is specified, a Save File window will pop up, allowing you to choose your save location, its file name, and the type of document you're creating. Keep in mind that you'll also have the option to save as a CSV file. As always, press Save when you're satisfied with your chosen options, and your table will be pasted into your file of choice. So try it out for yourself to do more with your DraftSight experience. If you're looking to learn more, visit the blog page or visit DraftSight.com.